Mavic 4 Pro and Cine, the next evolution. Fresh details and what you need to know. The world of drone technology is about to witness another leap forward with the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro and Cine series. These highly anticipated drones are set to shake up the aerial photography and videography scene, with a range of features that will excite both professionals and hobbyists alike. Let's dive into the details surrounding the Mavic 4 series, explore what we know so far, and give you a comprehensive look at how these new drones are expected to perform. 1. What is the Mavic 4 Pro and Cine? The Mavic 4 Pro and Mavic 4 Cine represent the next generation of DJI's flagship drone line. If you're familiar with previous iterations like the Mavic 3, you'll understand that this series stands at the cutting edge of consumer drone technology, blending high performance with ease of use. With the Mavic 4, DJI aims to push the boundaries of image quality, intelligent flight capabilities, and cinema-grade features even further. The Mavic 4 series is expected to come in two main versions. The Pro model, which is tailored for a wide range of aerial photography and video needs, and the Cine model, designed specifically for filmmakers and content creators who need the highest quality video footage and professional-level editing options. These two models will likely share the same core features, but differ in terms of video output, codec options, and other professional enhancements. Number 2. Design and build. Refined aerodynamics and durability. One of the first things you'll notice about the Mavic 4 Pro and Cine is the sleeker design compared to its predecessors. DJI has always focused on making its drones portable, durable, and easy to transport, and the Mavic 4 seems to follow suit. However, don't expect a radical redesign. DJI tends to stick with tried-and-true designs, so the overall look will likely be familiar, but with subtle improvements in aerodynamics and materials. The Mavic 4 Pro and Cine are expected to be slightly lighter, which should help with both flight efficiency and battery life. The more refined build will also likely include stronger materials for added durability, ensuring that these drones can withstand harsh environmental conditions, from strong winds to extreme temperatures. Number 3. Camera capabilities. A new standard in aerial imagery. As with any drone, the camera is the star of the show, and the Mavic 4 series will not disappoint. DJI has continuously pushed the envelope when it comes to drone camera quality, and the Mavic 4 is expected to come with upgraded sensor technology that delivers sharper, more detailed images and videos than ever before. The Mavic 4 Pro will likely feature a 430-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting 20-megapixel stills and up to 5.1K video. This camera setup will allow for stunningly crisp images with a wide dynamic range and improved low-light performance, ideal for both photography and videography.